quick. I'm up doing some work or whatever. So I just came across this video on TikTok. I actually seen a couple people doing this. So of course I gotta put the girls on, right? So this is how we're gonna make multiple pieces of content for our Instagram pages, Facebook, whatever. If you like putting quotes on, you know, a square with a black background or and words on whatever. Like I'm gonna show you how to make it. This lady, I seen people do literally 100 pieces, 200 pieces. I'm gonna just do this real quick to show y'all how let's just do 20 real quick. We ain't gonna get too crazy. So go to Doc, you're gonna go to Canva. We're using Canva. I have Canva Pro, but you can, there's mad stuff you use on the free version. So we're gonna go to Docs, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna type out quotes so we know what it is. And then I'm gonna go to this plus sign. You're gonna click on magic, right? I'm gonna put I'm just gonna put 20 quotes. Oops, come on, Kesh. All right, 20 quotes about self-care for women. Let me see, young teen girls, right? So you're gonna hit generate. I think that'd be kind of cute. It gave me a little tip too. So basically the tip was, it said something about creating an outline first. So I'll do that next time. So basically they just made 20 quotes for me for young girls. I said, create me. This is AI on Canva. So I'm playing with the stuff. So basically, yeah, it says self-care is giving yourself permission to pause. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. Oh, I'm going to save these because I be saying stuff like this. Yeah, I like this. So yeah, let's actually, and you can take these too if you like. Yeah, I'm actually going to keep these. So we're going to copy and paste them. Copy and paste. And let's see. So what you're going to do is go back home. And quotes is already typed in here, but yeah, you'll click on quotes. Like I said, I pay for Canva Pro, but there is mad stuff with the free version. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick anyone. This looks cute. Let's do this one. Ooh. All right, let's do that. It says be the girl who decided to go for it. And these are some other ones they have. Oh, I kind of like this one now. All right. I'm aggravating. All right. Ooh, it's mad at them. Oh, my goodness. I want all of them, y'all. Hold on. I got mad cool. All right. I'm doing this one. As this is mad cute. All right. I'm going to just play around with it and see. So, what you do is you go to apps over here. And then you click on the bulk create right here. And you guys see that? Bulk create. So we're going to do enter data manually. Right? So I'm going to clear table right here at the bottom. Clear table right here. I'm going to name it quotes. Just so we know. And what you're going to do is click in this first box. And then you're going to paste what we just copied. You see that? So it just put, what we did, 20? Yeah, so you can do 100. I tried it with 129. I'm sure you can go up I'm sure you can go up crazy. This is enough. If we do 30, I should have did 30 because I bet this is enough content for the month. That's a meme you could post every month. You understand? So, or a quote. I don't know why I'm calling them memes. But even if you want to make memes, that, you know what I mean? You could do that too. So that's 20. This right here is going to take care of us for the first 20 days of August, right? So what you want to do is click on your element, go to those 3 dots, and we're going to go connect data, and then you're going to click on quotes. And then you're going to click there. I'm sorry. Right. So you're going to click on quotes, and then you're going to go to continue. My bad, y'all. You're going to continue, and then it says generate 20 pages. We're going to Yeah, hell yeah, because that just took care of all the work, right? So you guys, look, now we have 20 pages of content. Self-care is giving yourself permission to pause. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself. You know what I mean? So look, that literally, it says I was recording for 6 minutes, but you know, I talk so much. But yeah, this was literally done in about 3 minutes. So yeah, and I feel like I could even, like, what if I wanted to change the background on this one, on one page? I wonder if I could do that. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to keep playing with it. But this is something very quick, very easy. I was just sitting here playing. Y'all, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. And I was like, ooh, let me record this real quick. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, share with your peoples. Send them this way. Tell them it's lit on this channel. And I got mad videos to come for y'all. Like mad videos. Because I'm getting busy. I'm getting to work. So, yeah. Let's chat soon.